The key to a good puree is texture. This is an example of a pea puree. I've blanched and refreshed the peas, very important, so I keep that nice green colour. I've added a little bit of liquid, this is water but it could be stock, and a little bit of xanthan gum. You could use butter instead, or as well as. The xanthan gum is a stabiliser, an emulsifier that will stop the puree from splitting. Some salt and pepper. You don't need very much xanthan gum, something around 1 to 1.5% of the overall mix is more than enough. Give it a good blend. This is a high-speed blender. You can use a stick blender for purees, but these high-speed blenders or smoothie blenders, NutriBullets, etc., do a really good job of achieving a really nice fine puree. If you're making a puree with other vegetables, root vegetables, it's really important to make sure that they're really well cooked, otherwise you run the risk of them being a little bit grainy. There you have it. Lovely and smooth, lovely vibrant green. Just needs heating up gently before serving.